Hello, agus fáilte Thig Na Seansálaithe, mas maith seans a lacu glaciad Na Seansálaithe is mise Hugh McGill cara agus támuid arás a ríis. Woo! Mar dúirt Ric Flair. Tá má fóchos le bheith arás. Má actually cricú an craic seo an méid sin agus bhí like a garú as the lads because even though gur háning muid cheala, but lóirí muid sin ag pantiart eile. Gadí sin Sraith car absolutely buzzál gur maigad as a bheith ling mas seo the head episode dá Na Seansálaithe gur mí the maigad tá a episode eile féidir leis tím sa hain go the class agus má ro sibh linn ó an Sraith journey an dhearna muid leis na í specialiste ar fád gur mí the maigad as a bheith linn ag an am sin fásta ach Sraith omlan crack omlan banter ahanad tá ahanad rud atarlaí ach mar is gra ar dúspáir man seo le muid cólaci le muid cairde ar dúspáire Áine bhuair Áine go dtí mar tatú
For my hairstyle or Hugh than try or sure. Fresh bleach, fresh bangs from my bangs. I got bangs.
So I say Sean Lash go leor current feature YouTube in this one or it's too quick
Mohim Costele, Lizzie McGuire, Saskanan, there's a sheer and stature kind of what dreams are made of.
Hey now.
Everything is technical. I walked through and try on our YouTube. Le Nick Kroll agus tá sé gléisús mar bhean agus fáin teinte stahanna fi go bhí agus fáin se bangs a so sé trid le duine bhil se gobar leis sinna agus during and then they're like, oh, what's gotten into you? And he's like, it's not what's gotten into me, it's what's gotten onto me.
Jesus Christ.
So Beidir gan nach raibh má fearsan tunis go bangs
bang era Áine is well and truly here. Lord fi bang out. Tá muid seo fásta. Far úsal James a Fáilte James Jimmer tatú.
Come on. Tá mis actually láháin amach way more hairstyle so sin pack na horseback and all so yeah championship is seachtainí so that calls for on buzz cut season about that. So yeah my god queen we can all yeah, so my kid superstitious, so we was at a Roman's game, we both cut down, so I think, oh my god, and then shave it off. So watch this space die.
Cén just ní hiag réad go Facebook James ar as Hanahin, mar chuis sé banishing deir seachna agus like tá sé hashtag James echo gan Facebook cabí, so chunig me sort lame me, and I was like, oh my god, cé sin James. But tá Facebook omlan ag rí Hanahin, I mean omlan. Like, what's your secret, James?
To my really hairy. It's on. It's just like small like I don't know. You might really like fresh shave. Small stubble look. Then like all logs. So years back, and then Rima full on clean shave and banish. You know, band customer grandma doig. So need I just so I think the Facebook is here to stay. We all. I don't think of Rana into their make matter. She actually just count the ultra boys in them.
The James Costla Tim Allen, the Santa Claus, no Hannah Jenna chat era.
Yeah.
Well raised face hog.
Such a rush. Well plugs a good bigger die. Now we'll begin doing free. No, I knew something to an stimulation sorts and kitchen give me lads
Rogaine,
yeah. Beidir go mí down and where low down.
I love the welcome I think awesome ways and also born with hugging. I love good father in that piece in this piece, like quick growth at a bar basically, I guess. Like come luscious locks on because Henry Cavill that piece of it.
Oh yeah.
That Gael will go my haircut off of Kaikish, so it's
that's because of the monkey.
Yeah.
Well, neither him just he's brought him full haircuts. They're like really therapeutic.
And chain to Hig, dinge like proper cheart, like because it's Shaw like Shaw the on Tishpan K made is a lad a time missionish, but in McKinsey it's like €3 is haircut really jazz more to similar lad. I guess car like the random so you call like lads because like €1 than cut. I guess we just saw the fecal. That's it's like the whole cost of like the growing algenta.
Fin a grúig níos cuitinta an rá.
Téimse fuine tá bleach níos tíar ná rudarbí ach meall go a hús I fáil cara for láthair Tá an rud hartar €3 ní siar an seo na atrabíalar doin níháin gruig do chuid johanna ar i mhaid do bhéile cibé rud a chean tú shoppa. So de gur caiim martar céad fihe? So bhí sé €9 nniu agus sin tá sin sir. I mean, bhí siad ag gobar mar chud gruigar fe 3 hours like so fecinn tú kind of an costas, yeah. Nar agan tú méid ama caiinn si there.
Rudí is mis na alternator ma. So they Effelman €15 cut seachtainí and then head caiici selle Effelman €27 cut and can posh like can pampered up like brand new fresh like the all go around me clue get in the powder go around no idea I just my feet are class 8 so I'm like oh yeah but I've been confidence so on I still like hating €15 cut people like oh god it's okay I should be my like miles people like okay at least it's fresh and then yeah so alternations yeah you piece just a sour my gum's gonna mark and edit my fall haircuts flat out yeah I make a note €27 like ages as honey my barber ich mo like call out ma ni your mission ni in more haircuts you like oh god yeah no like please not like please not sack ma
like what to ahri to like dealer or they get
oh no he actually cheat
Tá seo go agus le addiction to James like tá sé ar tucha na Gary se then he's addicted to the fade ví tú mí ílis to the barber
yeah he's actually he cheat on like ní something cheat than he's money young Maria because he's not really a rich person so I must feel like a bodachi adding to his cheetah now do some boba is piece craic and then do and then literally come as a going like ages and we're like oh my god Kama kapalan agus focus on one barber Kama
be committed
dealish
yeah kind of Angela
then we imagine like €27 so fuck
we got to call out here and call not your gober
no in fairness like don't know it's unbelievable like she don't story
she don't go listen it's
cultural barber done shout out like absolutely like want to get my sponsor like please
James go list go team wait a barber sa gan is le boombox in is le
your bag please yeah such a massive go for me page Russian basically on fund was haircut
what do mag fuim ik te fi €8 for gar get like
give me into the roots some name
han Davi maar jou go a bleach nílum
so
Davi
yeah so €120 le Havi le the right that's mis chod a chaikis so that's 4 haircuts €27 fuck ahead
nobody's forcing you to have 4 haircuts
this is it's Sean is that Neil
Tá actually society my should I single life
my addictive personality
no
hold on a second
addictive personality I'm a bit me didn't need to vape
one second
in terms of goach as got to be impressed on it's got to be like brand fresh my ekimische band is more fresh fade on ní ma confident Laura me lethe ní bhé ma funny or ní ma confident and then ní bhé get let them so it's all about prep
damn
oh my god well I mean tá mis single chumai agus Neil ní faimse bar ruige an cookies you know so like
Hugh guarantee you for fresh fade modach agus í héad ben a chasir tainga tú
not even team we just earn Sraith
go líim sé rá an aibre a homsa go Hugh aibre a beidir just trí a choid because you know them should really unlucky equal
Cosly tú hart sa swivel chair agus ben van a gear the grig like oh wow
oh my god you enu ní é seo
no but you actually raw please come out and get it fake what's
oh yeah well kind of a dúspar because you know the an maid an ení spesta oging like haar and Sraith agus an weach as an le tenaku a bhí lenne whatever ach ní mar really chance le feáil JV crack either in hain, just between us girlfriends where Jern RuPaul. So ar dús bar Áine, go dé mar bhí the hot Gael summer. Because she'll grow hot Gael summer over your fáth. Just on ruddy fact.
I mean, she'll gur like kinse is leor faoi ein amagur bhfuil le na chéile ach bhfuil le chéile seachtainí ó hin in gáliú bhí reunion bug jazz ag an trúgain agus chuimiid chuimiid go dtíon roisin dú as bhí bapínta hagan agus bhí sé just in le bheith ras le chéile.
Caiim se Lord fin dear seachtainí sin actually because ní roma se an am sa fanart in gáilih. Bhí mis an haimsa dul arás go báile clia mar gro cynne agamsa le gáil le haid tatú or le Lord le you free tatú agus bhí mar like, oh, chaim an bus, well, you know what, be jazz press and into agling man seo. Bhí mar moscatí dín séachloggur mágin agus an sin bhí mar fáil bus an níochloggur mágin le fáil arás go dtí báile ag man le agus bhí mar just like ho crusty in Éist and bhí mar just like you're man on archer than you be, you're man lower than you be. So but the guy mar imalis and Seachtainí be prepared. Sin the wine in your hima.
Has he worked you in tattoo?
She kept going off.
Yeah, because it's train all James. Because it's just like
and then like home mach. That is.
To kill where galore near antu in the he could you share margin because
no. We must small cut at half two. Of my game of Cisco clear. He got off the margin. They try as a hating mom, a gizeh mother. So New York ma is my real machadores. I think actually dogs they like carol not. So who's make half 7. You're friggin' bag rates yam, you're tad rates yam. Maar komisch dag, het doe sport is dat de shopdorf, bring him a shopdorf, if you shopdorf lom, as father my go pinte. And then just and then the photo shoot capital who's a trainer, the jerseys of whole club, agus Molean. Ring Shazam with their jerseys, team the guy of it, so Nero Mishanam on jersey so that just promo picture who's like AFL Ireland ish and it's just me team shining it on because Ring Shazam with their jersey.
So near like she'd go in her behavior.
Well, like Nero and Gear, like you called jersey, like there should be 4 in the 1 ball as you for another glass, so you for jersey ball and was that the Magpies dove. You make happy jersey do with some like you bottom train top you won't have it. You like if you just GA gear like to be honest, if you make lucky go about football boots like you're a clue on Corona imagine.
In hindsight, better nar cheart no mahani because Saderu ni war Hugh tattoos I get. I don't know roast her shock a sort shook le sort I hurter thing codolition. Agus when James Darmot are no jerseys.
Kitchen Javion is Marial Groma Gary AL like fui or harm alien agus the newer my chance like Kihi L or everything or be or Maji. So Vima agus Vim a dowse and hear fad agus it shouldn't be just stay a chat, but you hear fad the faster. So then Nervima in molecular if we now Vima molecular from a whole sala agus ho tursa. So just smooches a Kermal Lao so it's a band bach to be we shall like a band bug shaw. I feel like Gary Hodgenum, I was just a smooch the like a Kerpan or Malau, it's just in waft a chart them off.
I'm like cartoon how how like Fiji is a
yeah. Can the dog be shock on the base? Be like, you know what? Flag with Jane, like couple of shots. Could you go Michigan Glanerish? Bisha. So I'll be cracking dog door in am here Agus is few Bisha, it's a hojas and gang echo in that one. It's rud anspastic because you Harlin Rovenick. So
Anu Harlin.
James Kirk Footsig Jimmer to the Jimmer V, the hot Gael summer, Sinomwan.
Yeah, God ni show like that one gosh, fairness. Happy come on already. Yeah, it's just like what's more to be honest, Musaura is just that train out, I guess that the goal. Which is pretty mental. Like Niachmar Holiday, it was just like law one to my trainer, a lot of them are just more like hits my shot pop and you're doing it. Like I think go both on kids our cat like we just hold it back to Rome or it's just like in crack cholos. So yeah, just yeah, happy out. Living hot girl summer, rather shit. Your wife are into the forces, man. You know, that keel like could have on the munchen. Ach, yeah, Sinead. Kill food to Hugh. We can now sour event for that, so.
Yeah, sin dáháin a bhhain le é bhíniu. So mar a dúirtma sin le tá single a ríis inis. A héana agus James back on the pool. Mar scrá. Mar bhí blianttí hain. So costa gomid an J1 a ríis James agus gomid, you know, Heart are in the Californians or fad.
Absolute fact.
Agus no bhí an méid an craic I gal ré idir Fáilte agus ceolcharmí agus gigs fásta ruí stand-up agus you know form Jefníonn sin go ruí le oíche cultúr le Gael Gary má tá aon hart bíigi ag súlamá le ag chuní súlamá le imach le stand-up tá chartwas gan bhfuil ach yeah bhí seo just kind of size crackle nach ro agus fásta James from Virginia tickety sear an aske why my size cost of more like influences nor you know even though gross can la tree hippish agus ní like the any country shot of it ní rosha like intentional nachro and in lane you're late with your mahi it wasn't like a boys day out because with your fagel
it felt like that
There's fire, right? Okay, so that thing.
I don't care. It's coming up.
So no, never say a cost behind. Like you can believe what you want to believe. So another Harley was, and so and conditionless tattoo, whatever. And I mission the wallet. I was the Krager with ours, and I was like, "Neil, Michigan Lord, and the Enigma has if we are. I'm not talking to be Higgin Dars, a Lord Law." Then the James Ray listen train logs. You should like, oh, you know, or why does Blues just lie alone? I was like. Ní féidir am chafa gal tarhiig bachasa agus ví like cool so then Hannig tú agus an 30 order shopping at Five Guys that you're in Acklin agus a tumulation firmwood Krager and Dars reach agus captas a groshab more and farge liveru actually KV na mahorson a bhí torch tickety sear an ascu le and Paddy Power Comedy Festival don sin like again like we like in show again like yeah or Sheelum agus we should just like yeah Sean tickety so then he special go hen agus James but near Rosha near much Gary knock row and you kind of in you know it's Bradlin got him on that fast
whatever I would have hated it anyway
yeah but you know came to yen is came to a ligger fod are like double day tain a yanu nish okay this is James rolling at the end of pain I shouldn't come is rolling at the end of Lynn Hain
well lots of couple or gone James
yeah if I'm kind of right so just this
like should that weekend this movie which available father I think
but Sean Road like be Mahain James and Áine time fod is not much get real because been James a trainer and Trinona da here
yeah Brian says
a busy guy no it kind air tickety Hig rud the caiime show lu mar bhí féile Áine an Gallagher siúil as bhí sé ionach agus chuí an taimhhearc i deagháilm a tug si tickety dú le dul hiag drama chur fibín as an taimhhearc le chéile as bhí sé absolutely haar cín yes bhí sé anáiste but anhhaid yeah bhí sé ionach but actually winach sib sé tanú as bhí like ban electric I cruthú suirt an ambiance agus bhí like na hastrí teachtaiste ar glúiste na hátar an lechpéicine bhí just ionta bhí sé siú like jetlog sníhe as man like sulse flashal as yeah bhí sé ionta mai so just shout out Stevie agus taimhhearc agus Arts Festival and all that good stuff.
Is bralam an Abertin bhí like bhí sé an ach but why live sé bhaí sé an solta
would like after vala like tá gurí ailmach J Harlín like gar does you because well to you know the thespian you know been to earn stature to hain so
Pogum Colony yes it's thespian me yes oh thespian sorry thespian Ronar
these are no jokes in it points is doing
every time Shansley are back baby
you know nurse sweet Hugh like a gash for some reason Taylor Dignam sweet na like Hugh genu like High School Musical or they can version or in stature Neil is going to not a hain mention ni glum to how to genu like Run tú rud dúrchan an nearnan ar bhartú de Greek James gan an bhí se buna
Trainspotting.
hair. Trainspotting, but for some reason a méid lom swinwer le Troy Bolton.
Well, come an reaction trainspotting nar renting the goosagin and basketball Lord le air sick.
Le clignacha sige chusa clíthe.
Get your head in the game. Get your head in the game. Ring my earacht lagan the High School Musical or her show in UCD agus hepma near Loch today.
Rálum sinnéanú an dé country goil géanú.
Oh my god. Manscall musical.
Bagsy Gabriella. No, screw that. Sharpay. She wasn't school.
I mean, think Greg good finish, so it's great that they Manscall musical. Watch the space. I mean, Barrelum so dull like drama. I mean to say dull like an airplane, James. And you failed him to feckle and shin.
Actually, kind of being, to be honest.
Right.
Yeah. Hoe ik op aan de Phoebe is die. Kon ik wel drama. Ik kill as small drama. It's not a musicals, to be honest.
She don't get nice out on Whitehead.
Yeah, it's just like niemand know, but like the after the things going an article going on low, but you that romhainn I don't think. I think good like favorite count the favorite movies on The Greatest Showman. What a fucking what a picture. Yeah. Agus obviously Mamma Mia. He and Agus though a dope class.
Should be on a good Lily James zone. Yeah, we used to go to off your
yeah, obviously
can script the kid get what he's fair, but it's couple of vision.
No, it's showing the visual effects.
Visual effects.
Actually on channel point the show I even heal Mamma Mia too. Agus is sin calling them raw energy you visually please me. I was like so she just poetic like it's an eartough like
you should have heard the kid literally.
Yeah.
Ní bheith sin creepy a curve.
Yeah, there's no occasion off.
Walk about the master that's a screef ogad it's got to draft.
It kind are visually pleasing. Arc or shuff when you segue. Now
my van.
And Rosham ag arc or Love Island Lena.
Yes.
Yeah, we James still ain't or good James B. Reelan Arja. We should arc or Love Island.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah. Dark Misher Ahan episode. We should why him Lena Human.
Yeah.
See near Holland Shamar and Fui because we missed so it's Michigan edition to like oh feckin' Love Island. Oh my god, like knee Arkham like my ear ring my ear at Ark or and Cad Eagrán and I was like Neil and some of them in shot and then Vouchar Shul Sakistion in the street. If lad my house agus like we shall goni re Niema Gurker heartbeat. Ahan ila mis hí sa kitchen ag an lílog hín láit na gurkur an Claire agus táise cha Abertí like Niema Gurker Love Island ach an walk tú rud ring dammy or rare agus he's like Kate like tatú Gurker shot like Kate maybe be is a good shin when I wrote through Gurker shot
Mogur chail tú macdó gan ólas a bheith got ar ecin sú agus David Lena.
Oh yeah.
A ní sam ki fó like nach rodíní brandú like me all you know, to just a brand new Dini unbelievable actually. Like raw, absolutely outstanding. So need some kifon nach to and then obviously first more than a single that the brand new it's like raw. You know what? Basically what's a couple chart playing I do was that
bitter knocking in hinshin.
Yeah. Yes. No, that is a bob and like can I pull you for a chat? You know?
Sin Guldini Reen like Viv Mission Martian, Nurak Misher Gadi Nuri, agus just Dort Melum Hin or Hangelum, and you're a reef Fekiogum, just I don't want to be one of those heal my grow me.
I'm not like other girls.
Oh, he might be to go many far like not on Maggie Ark Love Island. And who was I kidding? He met these agus in a Eagrán, I was hooked. Nígladrana will share on Shimsul. Like it's sort of social experimentation. Sin Candana Kushana Gomaila Dini Vag Arker. Shin agus obviously Nadini Doyula.
been too hooked there, like been too like invested in the Danish like so
totally
like I feel like just like it's like get out of the like you know
tá sé jazz ag an bhile denú got like in éana hibre né cabéir the antistranona just see she's exactly sin
tá mis cin a miss off lá like
mis mai withdrawals
like ní tad an na gan
Dá ró Love Island na Gael ar siú a gur seair.
To be honest, im se aangaarle chuach just Love Island.
No.
Yeah.
Saoirlí.
Sin rudach chuir as mis chuach a Love Island, and this is no word of a lie. The earth like nomad video in the routine, like it just like
hey, it's Mr.
James. Certain agus rudi is me like
James, that doesn't bra album sin anu.
No, yeah, I know go will, but like
effort though.
Justify ma simple adini like ma Hugh in the staff my humor, ma just constantly agus it's in the really cringy show. Like actually justify my kids and freak them.
Dressed to the nines on where she's like
tan summer bod agad cumáin is an trainer le groisiú le go léna. You're ready to go.
Jesus, it's a very wintry summer shopping. You know, to my PC das way folks. Come on, general.
Cool to go to the Jenny Love Island Anna everything givri the greenie ta ní sinna leis a duine tas na chuigadí sinum. As ní bheith an tar táhacht céine le commas acu bheith se bhhaid níos náidir hí.
Go fáil like there's chun roundú daoine tá dahil like sílam sa
Botox agus
go háin. Bheith le gurcas le share i Mamma Mia too. Sinna dáid is an irk like. Bheith se like na dilfs agus na gilfs agus na
But ag an nám céine ní dólang me na daoine sin na chuigdaí cuairtú na brand deals an dóid céine agus an suirt an ard agus an cáil céine?
I've deal like Giacomo.
No, le adult diapers agus le
na fucking the blue pills kind of thing.
Viagra.
Thyroid cream. I'd rather be to eat dull and eat.
Manscaping. It's great.
Oh my god, Specsavers. Basically, go home I know we should brand deals, but basically like the running the mucher. You know, and I go like the club appearances, like the mucher big Love Island. Basically, like bingo appearances and this like Sean, it's Love Island and Sean. My head of Gatland, Jenny, and bingo and Jerry shocking you Sean. Woo!
An rotas sasta le ekansis David a buchan James.
Yeah, camera like I get twos really hang a luculum agus Jacks. Hilarious. Like we should like banter choline like the slight comments you know we like raw. Shin rudi wat misra like you know rudi mar hin. Ach then vi Luca le gemme hosma fecal on overprotective side I don't think rum was a fecal on scale nach an I think it just was
no
agus see like
Kaimid cuivnu tá siad frí bhrú allhhairsta hin mai agus bín sláinte bheir socu chuirsta haú you know ní Kaimid bheith féidir go níos buige who's been handing like tíine ufa said Margaret rudháin mí ceart.
Yeah, I think we're Jack's building in garage deal. I know, you know, reach already amuigh cast more so they put like sure you say me a whole of loch the page le mone it does about vision camera she page and he had in my like yes smart vision vision go hauling like she visually pleased me camera and yes,
was that the boob job that did that for you?
Oh my god, visually pleasing.
Near more plugging who's moon on you, so my brother súil ahead.
Come on. If you pay a galtaki and you should know that there's James Lumpsa. If you pay a galtaki,
exactly. He's thought like Hugh or my cans for you súil.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah. No honey shit. No, we show good right. I'm just going to Deniki gas.
But I'm sorry, bhí
India.
si cos le múntar scola an dóid gur si agalú Jean ar a handan a haní
No,
srá.
níor si cos a múntar scola, bhí si cos duine ar Sky Sports News ag ar an latest transfer request all bhí duine cís. Bhí si tarrant fiúcla amach West Indies.
But did you want a go muhi she an apprentice ma hagan she has my cheering shit. She called that like Darirags like she cur catching a diner a hand a hanista and ye woman should the velorto Sheelum Christian van Rosha go mata he but did sort like just get a book scanner head and approach Vicky.
She did a job interviews in Tamerfad we she Gary. Agus sin na neartní tugad sa cin na special skills tugad hey. An brí go maiid le fern cin ring lad is air and go mai fásta I think gen an air and
As look Gorman hí me se gras bailí go dtí seachtain ó hin. Tá go Gorman. No as look Gorman. When me sin beidir fake news sin, but when me sin teachtain teáte. Bhí sé an dóla be leor, bhí sé sin kind of rin sé leor bot túnistí ham, but ag an am chéanna sí am gro sé a couple is fair.
Bhí se funny dó fresin. I know go chroch like
bhí sé angranner, yeah.
Bhí India chroch a glór like in fairness le hí chréidir the look, but I think yeah bhí sé actually really funny like. So like
as ag go míid sin eáil fant le chéile, do you know?
Éantar sin fao golóra go dó and then freaking
Tash is Andrew dachar siad main sin cumái, bhí siad peanhar ag an tús agus an actually go deir hí me gro siad deas go leor le chéile.
Yeah, ní mai kins fós to be honest. It's kind of I don't know on the fringe.
Kevin does a buchend.
Monsieur. David agus ek but come am do roch Lucas I don't think it's the end of the world because freaking like it's grand though.
Well vi sé get now na bully like a draw there agus
yeah fair enough
ro cousin tak fu hi come
story alright but like it's definitely David second season in the favorites like so I thought David hilarious like
we should ran on one-liners.
The Italian
liar, actress, good the fuck out.
Just as was it as fake as a Gucci bag from China.
Yeah, stop. Like just really unbelievable, dude. Like so, like definitely Tilsaku like fáth on like sort of like so.
Now I'd say Nakwani she dak le kaikish, but being kaikish is passion to oku the good be real.
Oh, like ni hook she to no so here like kaikish. Which is because I couldn't ni got hard. I tell you.
Flat's the match, flat
too the match is I tell you that. And
kid like Darrow Tisser and Gappa Ganyan Hagamai or like Keiko Maisu Gappa to come to her Love Island, Darrow to her.
Sheelam Gamain Goni is smuichu or Kerta Ragum, Mialagulis come on the camera garks a bidget.
Yeah.
Tasha kind of been massacre Mardini tablet of a go homeland fearna agus Eatain. Beidir Gamain Shamohugul Messartiker. Gonna get above the character. It's on camera, Marna from my gear dini. 100 alfum maar tá an tí dat gin se 100 don doin omlan so
just pan 100 faster so
yeah and also tá ladgums ní map smuitiú sa bhela sin gom bhín ro nervy se le dul seach to be honest as bhecis go lahan in it I'm sorry but could one lads change that is fuck boys eat
oh go on yeah
you know ní bheith muí na gomúil hin le duine fád terma
no
during me sin
no
Ceart fuise.
Well, I mean, are those where I've been costing a Bigfoot a mask because the Marialler Keiko Chuig is a tema. They might just cost.
Oh, Kirk she'd Brewert, I'd say you're waxing.
Oh my God, solely on Even out there, Anu. No. 40-year-old virgin should have died. Bitch, I cost that. Still a shot. So let's say fantasy book in mar dearn to dar me tu se. Sim go mé má, right? Like si sim sa go mé just ag mágu hart tamar fád. Like bheim agus bhein ag na chluhí mín the anu no just like buir cheala agus like the what's the shag Mario like an craction agus all the fancy like chase fuck with the anu like shock amaji like ni bhein glacu ein rud the rear in ein car agus Jerry go probably go garhat should ja or like could be then you time should like coupled to us or whatever because it's like very shop blue and just glock and piss and a little quick give her like yeah we should put salt to crack never should stop that shot never should gonna pretend like them a guy big glaze to Swiss more fireman because like genuine like a or like the cunning or whatever the cohesion been like it's shot the shot fucking crack at it came forward to Jenny shot like she them give out a 5 of August a bhéir an Claire is ahan la an bishit like tamchi kalama agus betissim more Robin Hood agus be an ban more like Maid Marian whatever but like what the fuck like wow with to go ma an apple orchard ex be kunya ogad and strength like just fucking grand okay like can't find much in Shaw like agus in
like like ní other a curbe go god is like grindal what like agus muinil so go lickal just ben co mi compordal get is gum agus go me is go de hismahorí ag arcart a dhéanú mai
yeah I think you can punch fantastic to get Polish Jahan so I'd say probably oh my god
I'd say go Mac James go bra action
oh bet James were butcher Love Island gandars
vec session dira rahu sé dir sta striptease mode vec just rail goal
No,
I bet you like not his first rodeo.
My personality like walked in the lad imagine mission fought bug at Connemara fought bug Master David imagine
should have 5 Mr. like fantasy booking because like mission like lad pre lair Gael run like doing an all the gym clash Jesus David be just not branded that
as you said like mo 10 lines is the farmers 10 more
sorry yeah
as we raw brander is like what literally loudslow la fucking ages realize that shit to my kinal funny ni ma ufos brander agus ní fuckboy me cos an boys eile so
Beidir gohfuil fetish fata Connemara ann
Dear friends eile James ní bhean because of fata but okay Áine
ní arcin and also ní masú é prata lechar féin is rud gananta prata
yeah
shape that mis brand no ach sin rud you need in a heartbeat what I love it's like bevraden well and just got it's agus Laura's absolute macht me whom if me go my heel I can't shit la ding was sin eentoch agus ni wochen galach an branden am Robin show tein imi wat se hossing on Sra agus kom he dinne it's immer
oh yeah
sin
I cur shot an notice an Oberg's fair like ní fe missionish like James
are all like so long losers to make all of a sever
is féidir lad go amach an da dinne sin tá má anach a ché dinne be tú forever ráte is this a ché dinne or kikas amach at bhaile
Tasgurk ahandan in air and latte maid vec she do 100%.
Here mate you got robbed mate there you got I guess a rud faster like I should was shot place looking river whatever but like and die knuckle celebrities in airing like just it's just gradini I guess his past saku is like a bear in television or a bear radio so you think it'd be a genuine like oh my god, this is not as Love Island bitch. Like, oh hey, remember that thing, James? Whoa,
Yeah.
like you know, like
Oh.
Oh my god. I can't speak a chat agus leor Sraith ar fá mí ná níos fuide. Big Brother ag chat arás a gurtha dearthair.
No, ní chuinteach a Big Brother no.
No.
Cé fá gurtha dearthair Love Island agus ganna chuir dearthair ar Big Brother.
I don't know, I think we're just calling things a Big Brother. Tá cinál go donna. It's kind of like beagnach that you just got to seachan for all the wrong reasons. I think there's like just it's just bullying and popularity. At least Love Island, like they actually got seachan to do a kinál mission, like to get a band on, like to boss the
coalition that the himplacht wad níos fear. Like that himplacht Big Brother love Níl cad go rud bhí an ní ling siad ar leid love an to challenges as activities is ligan siad a maithí das an seo. Tá sé tá dagan an craic faoin sort tá sé go sa sardines is sé tin like ní ligan siad dul attribí bhín se is asla so chur fearn in tamar fad like tá sé just grim like arcar sí dom.
Yeah.
He gets ready to go assassin and that's enough of a reason kind of
Was that like that you just got to start it's agus ní donna táda like at least Love Island that do singi on to tatú ad to like to whole like I know it's on the conditions stuff now being earth kind of isolate all I guess like there's the phone of once with like craic new whatever like it was you know it's not all lived up mean tell is really like full saying that go nothing should like at least to give way in Hampshire like so tall Love Island it's probably seen Love Island the #1 show what you get ahead. Like Big Brothers today. Nah.
Yeah.
Fall guy.
And Yenha first dates.
Man, there's a rot in yere dini long first dates.
Yeah.
James, okay.
The first date's fearing actually.
No, fun second, right? James. Machar and this is Shahar, curry mish Shahar. Okay. Agus Ramage are in like here and it.
Fílis go bhfuil an rá sin agah.
No, Jenny Majay. Jeremy's like, no, Kaima got us. I say Sean Lauanyo must here.
Abergur drahar go sibh, because this gonna go ní crunchy like say.
Oh yeah.
Birch, yeah, crunchy birch drahar le chéile no dearfa, yeah. Sin tain dóid gwaith le chéile.
I'd say Mavian the landtory get ring again. Mavian shit. A tweet learning agus mu a commental and Instagram so what you pull loose and
look at the K Margic that come into play here.
Yeah, exactly.
Don't you worry, yeah, flies or something.
Then yenach sib sin though, definitely rahin se staff go did dinner at he chéna just le see fáil.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, agus bit this thing
Higla gradini does.
Yeah. But this thing about Kurt Glacher, you know, and they're change sassy layers and they're like, oh my god, Éist Shaw, like Sean Cracker fáth, they got a ray. There's a god the shite.
They miss just a wallach hilarious.
Like just a tarlu.
Well, Áine, ní mocha in wall looked about walls and letters. Ní was not going to shout letters stop this on.
Oh no, Sally, but you get British.
No, not quick never first dates. It's a unisex. It's letters unisex.
Oh, bae.
Well, can na bratan go bé say. But huglam san ruchníana go mai manuel date dog mai higlim an signal hortú an cur me gléra gro me like I dimpiste fasar it's caiis of dollars boot was me a hawal.
Just facking through a gulra and camera facking through like Áine just a glock you like in fork it's just all like freeze loud sicky like Michigan James like oh Kaimage our gara glock taking off her sorry
actually gonna be hate
well I think you know Kaimage you know or some the telefish Áine Kaimage you know really Kaimage whoa the Michigan James a Lord Gra and Shaw Áine I guess
exactly
sorry now I miss us a fork a grandma Shaw I'm allow
her son Gra Áine her son Gra the courage is fair or in dog flare
Bear veer the you know the course and builders
oh all right then
we should see it
all right
okay
oh my god Sean was fast that romhainn is James or but he ella romager like ella knock with the Celine so
yeah true
you know.
true Jim just cool shadow go my area in the net
Fine.
Do you know what? Cai Virginia. Well, I mean, Tamaj go lehin this year the sort finish again couple shocking to go like an artist like Helen. I been just seen Shammer like Helen. If I like, you know, shocking one. So, you know, they sesh all war
Obey.
Boy dead bay. Oh boy dead.
Oh jeez, boy dead.
Saoirlí dóach muid like Seamus Begley so second drummer for kind of actual session going about.
Don't threaten me with a good time. Not Jensen.
Bhíar si go bheith sin mar aimimegin don artas na ceoltarí is fearr go dtí linn aimsúid like súsa gar siomar lá.
Gutcí lún. Virginia hig failing chat like blianttí an bhí seo like seo 8 blian and she put an ní blian and you punch seo but bhí se like failed á like Astro or whatever agus bhí se like steer campus in Kilkenny agus bhí Virginia, you know, like Shammerland lads, you know, just like Virginia the cool kids, you know, whatever. So bhí like common area and sin like high like the place whatever be like common room 1, common room 2, but Virginia like chorus was there so yeah like hard like in Shammer was just like common room 3 like just like much a hand strancher agus a hand then you chart the shahing Shammer it could be of the Gary agus so she go in a flan Karen the tugum still high and this is just to invite a hand then you go the charts was but the guy charts was a coach Twitter and everything Shammer agus sure could say that.
Be an Eagrán ag an Glenaigleoin.
Oh yeah, absolutely, yeah. Ní bheith cailín try rash, but sure look. Be grand. Oh my god. Well, folks, sílam go bit sin leis an céad Eagrán arás the Sraith ceart. Was just asked a rash be on Guinness, was just asked a rash leis an gang book.
Oh, 100%.
Íta fast a bheith rash.
Mi sé buzz on. See my buzz on timer fád like literally the cur and Zoom the Calvin like much besties. Martha the guy the Seansálaithe amsú ahan ile man hosta a Gremor. Seansálaithe for life sinné. Good mission as an NWO a bhí mar grúpa wrestling synology for life. Mas go na Seansálaithe amsú na man hosta támuid na Seansálaithe Instagram, na Seansálaithe Twitter, támuid YouTube ag na Seansálaithe go feicáil na bangs gáanta tá ag Áine. Agus mu agus James Girk go jazz fásta sínam hen. Cégur Dortmund té armhain a leir an tafod. Ne so go walk in BA, but mis Tessa Áine, that's an sure. Boom. But the guy Áine amsú na man hosta táisi mar anywhere Instagram, anywhere Twitter, agus anywhere TikTok. But the guy James amsú na man hosta táisi mar Fáilte Twitter Fláirteach that an CH na gear not an germar there Twitter agus Fláirteach TikTok agus mu the guy mahain amsú he got mé al ag Hugh here Twitter, Hugh here Instagram agus Hugh TikTok. Well ein rod elegir gaiimiid fógraí anu solar Kermid Jerrylish and Ced Flair that's right ceair.
Just mat rud a bí ghfuil daoine gur ar na phlééis a treisil. Bhil a busca túirmaí an aidir scéal a gin fao láthair ach just gur teachtar tugann ar Instagram agus leorthaí faoi German.
Agni ans na Seansálaithe. Oh my god, so yeah.
Mu an seo le could live?
Yeah, because ar an dá déile was le go feibní.
Is bh shit an an chun cuiú lenne.
Yeah, better, yeah. Therapists at the alarm.
Cai sé drálinn má si a gurí arbhsedal ar first dates go mai. So Jagualin.
Jagual, please. I think to die my chanter in Spotify to ask these favorite voicemails occur hogging so must mind in the yanu but in deadly. Ach gaji and chat and sugar gur mila agus out the engagement list the Seansálaithe damage live a reach and Áine sugar again a neat plug or margin or the podcast agus the afterlog citronola or radio rira so gaji shin gur mila agus bunny salt is in Jerry Sharkman. Slan.